Cryptocurrency is the hottest topic these days in tech. Even the most brilliant people like Elon Musk have also shown huge interest in cryptocurrency and blockchain. With Shiba Inu being the token that gained a tremendous amount of popularity in recent times, I also tried to invest in Shiba Inu, which turned into a huge reward for me, which also included a huge risk as well, just in case. So in this video I'll be telling how I doubled my money in just 2 days with Shiba Inu token. So the thing is that every cryptocurrency has its own blockchain. So Bitcoin, Ethereum and even Dogecoin has its own blockchain, but Shiba Inu is actually not a coin. It's a token which is a part of Ethereum blockchain and it necessarily doesn't have its own blockchain. With some of the most powerful people like Elon Musk showing interest in these coins and tokens, the values of these tokens and coins just keep skyrocketing and also falling at other times. So since few weeks I was trying to recover my loss that I got from selling and buying Dogecoin few months back. So I was trying to recover my loss from Bitcoin and Ethereum, but it wasn't enough. So few days back the value of Shiba Inu just kept skyrocketing and it increased tremendously. So I sold my all of Bitcoin and Ethereum and just put all the money in Shiba Inu. And turns out what? It was a huge hit. So I just invested in Shiba Inu where its price was around 0.003 rupees if I talk about Indian rupees. So I bought around 300,000 Shiba Inu tokens and after 2 days its value almost doubled and it just increased exponentially. But after some time its value started to decrease. So it was actually crashing and I couldn't see the same thing that I experienced with Dogecoin few months back, because I just holded the coin thinking that its price would go again after some time, but it never happened and I lost some amount of money by Dogecoin selling. So I just quickly just sold my all the Shiba Inu coins at a price which was around double of what I actually bought it. And it turned out a huge profit and actually a good decision for me, because after that the Shiba Inu just crashed tremendously and all of my profit was recovered from the Dogecoin. So I actually made a double amount of money that I invested in Shiba Inu. So the thing is how much money I made and how much I invested. Now let me just show you the screen. So hey guys, I have just opened my WazirX account so you can just see the cryptos and the values. So you can just see the orders that I placed, and if I just talk about Shiba Inu only, so you can just see that these are the Shiba Inu coins that I just bought. So you can just see that I just bought around 302,000 Shiba Inu tokens and I bought it for around 988.99 rupees. So I just bought around 302,724 Shiba Inu tokens for 988.999 rupees. Now if we talk about in dollars, let's just talk about in dollars. So it's just around $13.22. It's not a big amount for the people living in US, but it's a good amount of but it's a good amount if you're starting to invest in these things. So yeah, that's it. So I just bought it for around 988.99 rupees. And I was trying to sell it when its value was around this 0.0075, but it was crashing, so I couldn't sell it. But after some time I was able to sell it at this amount, 0.0072 rupees, and I bought it for 0.0032 rupees and I was able to sell it for 0.0072 rupees. So you can just see that I just sold all my 300,000 Shiba coins at a price of around 2,179 rupees. Now in dollars what it is, so 2,179, it's around 29 or you can just say $30. So yes, I was able to make more than double the amount that I actually invested in it. So it was I just bought it on 26th October 2021. You can just see the time as well. I bought it at midnight and I just sold it on 28th October at 10:18 a.m. and yes, that's it. And I was trying to recover the loss that I got from Dogecoin, from Ethereum and Bitcoin, but it wasn't enough. But with Shiba Inu I was able to recover, and presently the value of Shiba Inu is increasing and decreasing at the same time. So it's not increasing at the same level that it was increasing some days back, but yes, you can just see. And these are the other things, and these are the other coins. If we talk about Bitcoin, so you can just see the value, the present value is 48,50,995 rupees. And yes, the Bitcoin is the main coin. It has value because it's limited, and of course it's the main backbone of cryptocurrency if you want to say. So yeah, that's it. And And basically, if you're trying to invest, I would say just invest in long term. Just don't go for short term gains in cryptocurrency, because cryptocurrency is all about long term game. So just invest in good coins. For example, Bitcoin is a best coin if you want to invest, and Ethereum is also great. So I personally like Ethereum. So Ethereum is also great coin, and it also has a huge value, and its value will increase in the coming years for sure. So yeah, that's it. I hope you got some idea from this video if you want to invest. So I will be adding a link of this website called as WazirX in the description. So if you want to sign up and invest, you can just invest from clicking on that link, and you can just sign up from that link if you want. I will be sharing the link in the description, so you can just click and sign up. So it's an easy process. You just need a PAN card and Aadhaar card if you are from India. So you can just sign up from that information as well, and you can just start buying cryptocurrency. And of course, this is a main app, so most of the people just use this app only. So this is one of the main apps for cryptocurrency in India. So many people just prefer WazirX for cryptocurrency exchanges. So you can just download it and just start your, and you can just start buying and selling cryptocurrency. And yeah, that's it. I hope you like this video, and if you liked, you can just like the video and subscribe the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.